Chikungunya is a vector-borne viral disease. Most patients with chikungunya feel better within a week. In some people, the joint pain may persist for months.
Main complaint of the patient in the chikungunya is multiple joint pain. So, in this disease, patient can have pain in the fingers, in the wrist joint, in the elbow joint, in the knee joint, in the ankle joint, and in great toes also, and other toes also. So it is very difficult for the patient to move, even move. They cannot get down from the bed there, and they cannot do the day-to-day routine work. So this is the main feature of this problem. And other features are high-grade fever. Sometimes patient can have vomiting and loose motions also, and they can have rashes on the body also.
During the first week of infection, chikungunya virus can be found in the blood and passed from an infected person to other mosquitoes through mosquito bite. An infected mosquito can then transmit the virus to the other people.
There is a certain blood test. We do PCR test in first 3 to 5 days, and there is a IgM test that is very important. So we do the IgM test for chikungunya, and that is done after 5 days of fever, and if it is confirmed, then we start the treatment. Once we rule out the dengue fever, then we can give the painkillers, because these in chikungunya patient have severe joint problems, so they require good amount of the painkillers. So one is the acute phase. Acute phase subsides within 3 weeks, and then post-acute phase, in certain patients it can persist up to 3 months, and then there is a chronic phase where patient can have symptoms up to 1 year.
Proper management of chikungunya is must. To prevent chikungunya virus infection, it is important to avoid mosquito bite and control mosquito breeding.